full year of recovery, improving chances for lasting health and wellness.
Hey, how you doing?
Learn more at
I'm gonna get the right button here. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And no, I'm not repeating a show I just did a couple of shows ago. But this, which is the Kaito WRX911, is identical, except for one thing, to the Texan R911 I showed you a couple of shows back. Does it look familiar? The big difference is the writing on this one is in English, so I can understand what the position we're in. Before I struggled like, am I in FM or AM? Now I can see I'm in FM right now. It's AM, FM, and it's got, count them, if I can get a focus here. Come on, camera. Oh, come on. Oh, I'll be darned. There's nine shortwave bands that you can select using this slider right here. There's a power button and the indicator that tells you're tuned into a station. Again, listening to an FM station. Over here is the the volume, the earbud jack, and the power jack if you happen to have an AC adapter. It does not come with an AC adapter. Over here is the on-off button right there. And this is the tuning knob. Telescopic antenna, which is just over 2 feet long. Does have a nice little kickstand. The antenna does completely swivel in all directions. Just gotta make sure I don't break it off. And in here is the band plan right here. The shortwave bands are the international broadcast bands. So you're not gonna get the amateur radio bands, and most likely, let me check here real closely, you are not, oh yes you are. You are gonna get some of the WWV, but it's the shortwave is broken down into the international broadcast meter bands. So it's like 41 meters, 31 meters, and so on. Pretty nice, and this one is brand new. Jeff sent me this to show to you, and it's brand new. Let's just tune a little bit and see how we do. We're on FM. I'm up in my work, what do I call this? My office. Boy, I'm having a bad day today. And we'll see, volumes over here. Good audio. Oop, good music I shouldn't be playing. Okay, let's move all the way down to the beginning of the band. There we go, nice smooth tuning. Now we're going to go up. Okay, there we got nothing because I'm all the way down. Okay, there's a station, pretty weak. That's Spanish. I typically don't hear Spanish station down here on the end. Slowly moving up. Whoa! There's one. Where is it? Whoa! Whoa! It's 2 stations. Let's see if I can. No. There we go. Spanish. Another Spanish station. Getting a lot of stations. New music. More music. So it's doing great on FM.
A way to make lifelong memories and
There's nice and clear.
RV Share makes RVing easy with simple booking, insurance, and delivery options.
Locked in.
Use your outside voice with RV.
To go. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Be back here Monday. We're going to give you...
Doing a good job. These are nice little radios. I think they're only like $20.
Newest light favorite.
Yeah.
Cherryhome.com.
Okay, let's go to AM. They're going to pick up a lot of noise. We can put this back down momentarily. Okay, we're at the very top of the band. And we turn it this way. It's the best way to receive in my office. There we go, music.
Any human being, I pray for people who are my external enemies and
Spanish. Yeah, see, here down here in Florida, we get a lot of Spanish stations. Probably another one.
Well, I especially
You're locked in.
the liver protect.
Get into your network. What's far more common is that...
Baseball?
Jose Ramirez waits on the 1-0
Yeah.
just outside. 2 balls, no strikes. It looked like Kluber kind of landed a little awkwardly on that one.
Ramirez,
There we go. See it locked in.
Jimenez raised with their biggest lead of the afternoon.
Plenty of volume.
Leading at 5-1.
Now, just for the heck of it,
Been kind of
I'm going to try shortwave. Okay, let's go over here to shortwave.
Line of teams, all right. So then you get
Nope.
out one.
Okay, there's shortwave 1. That's a little confusing because, let me turn the volume down. What I thought was a pointer is right now pointing to the word shortwave and not over here. That's a little confusing. Now we go all the way back here. Yeah, see, it doesn't, I don't quite understand the indicator here. Let me look at it closer on my bad eyes. Yeah, I don't understand that. Oh, I know what, oh. Yeah, you have to have great eyes. I don't know if it's going to show up or not. But there's a little red dot that moves. Right now it's on AM. There it's on FM. Really hard to see. Yeah, I don't think my camera's going to pick it up. There it is. Kind of a reddish orange dot. That's how you tell. So if I want to come over here, wait a minute, I'll have to look at it closely. Yeah, that's working. Okay, so like now, I don't know if it'll show up or not on my camera. It's on the 1. Hello, camera. Wake up, camera. No. I'm sorry. I can't get it to focus. Just refuses to focus. Nope, it tried. Okay, I give up. Anyway, that's how you read what band you're on. That little orange or red dot. So I'm on band 1, which goes from 4.7 megahertz to 5.3. So that includes WWV on 5. Let me see if we got 10. We got, no, see, it doesn't encompass 10. It only goes to 9.9 on band 4. Let's see, 15. Nope, it starts at 15.05. So the only WWV that I can tune is 5 megahertz, and it's not the right time of day. What time is it? It's about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Yeah, I'm just gonna try. Normally in the afternoon it has to be around megahertz or higher. So we'll try, let's see what we got here. We'll try band 4. There, I got it set to band 4. We'll turn the volume up and see if we can hear anything. I will be surprised. Nope. Whoop, there's something there. Noise. So let's try another band. Go up a little higher. Trying. No, it's probably my keyboard. Whoop. Whoa. What is that? Here we go. Whoa. See there? I put my finger on there, and that acts as a capacitance, which makes the antenna appear to be longer, which you need a longer antenna. That's the, I'll just let you listen for a second. Probably Radio Habana. Let's see what the frequency is. I'm guessing the frequency we're on 5 is about 11.9. About 11.9. So, what I was getting ready to say, and I mentioned it in the review of this other radio like this, a radio with a small antenna like this is really, really going to struggle on shortwave. But you can use a clip-on antenna, clip-on wire antenna that's about 20 feet long. Get that up in the air, and this little radio or the other Texan will pick up shortwave stations. Propagation is pretty good right now. I think it was above 100 yesterday with the K in the A index down around 1 or 2, which is excellent. So you could probably pick up quite a few shortwave stations on this little guy if you add clip-on an external wire antenna. That will help tremendously. That's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching. If you haven't subscribed, but I appreciate that. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.